One. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the PayPal Express checkout issue on Shopify. If you've been having trouble with PayPal not working properly during checkout, don't worry. We have a simple and straightforward solution that should get things running smoothly in just a few minutes. First things first, log into your Shopify account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials so you have full access to your store's dashboard. This is where we'll make all the necessary changes and checks to get your PayPal Express working again. Once you're logged in, go to the settings section in Shopify, which you'll find at the bottom left of your dashboard. This is your main hub for configuring everything in your store, from payments to shipping and store details. Next, click on Payments. Here, you'll see all the payment providers you've set up, including PayPal. This section is crucial because we need to ensure that PayPal is enabled and configured correctly. Take a moment to look for any warnings or alerts that might indicate issues. While you're in the payment settings, make sure your PayPal account is in good standing. This means there are no restrictions, unresolved disputes, or limitations that could interfere with checkout. Sometimes, PayPal issues are caused by problems directly in your PayPal account, so resolving those is an important step. After confirming that your account is fine, double-check the PayPal API credentials in Shopify. Incorrect or misconfigured credentials are one of the main reasons PayPal Express fails. Re-enter them carefully if needed to ensure everything matches exactly with your PayPal account. If you've verified all of this and the checkout still isn't working, it may be an issue specific to your PayPal account rather than Shopify. In that case, contact PayPal support. They can troubleshoot account-specific problems that may not be obvious from Shopify. Once all these steps are completed, your PayPal Express checkout should be fully functional again. It's usually just a matter of verifying your account and credentials. This simple process can save a lot of frustration and help your customers complete purchases without issues. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide helped you fix your PayPal checkout issues. If it did, leave a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials. Happy selling!